In this video, I'll show you how to get your Amazon link to your YouTube short. I'm going to explain the best way you can do this. So let's say first that you got to upload your short. I have a short already. It's ready to go. So I'm just going to click here to create. And of course, then just click on upload video. And it doesn't matter here if we're doing this on the computer or the mobile. You just have to upload the short first, right? So here's my short. I'm just uploading it now. And it's just in the travel niche. It's like a travel, inspirational short, whatever. And of course, the first thing that I always say to people is that you make sure that you have a niche and then that you have the product which is related to that niche. That's how it works. If you want another video showing me how to and which niches you can just tie up, just write me down in the comments. So firstly, this is my short. Then you have to go and you have to give it a title. So I'll just name this like best rivers in the world. And of course, you know that you got to put this at the end of it. So you just got to put shorts. All right. Here it is. Click on this and you've got yourself a title. Now, a lot of people will tell you that you just add the link to your description, but it's not good. When you're on YouTube Shorts, no one really watches the descriptions. Here it is. If I'm on a certain short, I don't even know where the description is. Maybe it's on these 3 dots here. Yeah, you have to go to 3 dots and then you have to go over to the description and you can see he just has this because no one actually does this because people, it's even more difficult when you're doing this on phone because no one actually clicks on these 3 dots. Instead, this is what you gotta do. Best thing that you can do is you can go ahead and just publish this short. So make sure it has a hashtag here, shorts, then go on next here, go to video elements. Yeah, check this here. So yes, it's made for kids. Click on next again, checks, click on next again, and here, just make it public. Yeah, just make it public. And here is what you wanna do. You see this link here. Copy this video link. This is the link for your YouTube short. Publish the short. And you can see our video is now published. Click on close. Open up a new tab and then just go to your short. All right. Now, this is my brand new short. I should have changed the format, but it's okay now. So yeah, here it is. It should look like this. I'll just pause it. I don't want to play it. So this is what you want to do. You want to paste your link in the comments and then you will pin it because people actually do watch the comments. Have a look at this one. There's like 6,000 here and most probably something is pinned. Well, not at this case. But if you've got your first comment there pinned, well, that's where your affiliate link is going to be. So, for example, for this one, I would just use something like a backpack because backpack is actually related to travel, right? So I will just take my link from Amazon and I will comment on my own short. And I'm going to pin the comment. I would just write something like the best backpack ever for travel, for hiking, whatever, just to tie that up to your niche. If your shorts are about, losing weight, you're going to promote certain physical product for losing weight or maybe even digital products. That's going to be, well, it depends. But just watch out for if you do not have video related to your niche, well, it's just not going to get to the right people, right? And when we actually go over to these shorts, you will see that. Let me just try to find certain example for it. So let's just try to find something like maybe this. Let's see. I'm sorry for the sound. No, this one doesn't have pinned comment, but yeah, you can search for it. For example, this video, as you can see, they're promoting different video. So if I click on this one, this is a new feature that connects YouTube Shorts to some longer form content. So what these people are doing, they're essentially gathering the traffic, and the first link on this short is pinned comment by the owner, where he redirects people to the longer form content so we can just get more watch time, That's a brand new feature because recently YouTube Shorts and YouTube videos, longer form content, you can't make direct links. This is still in the processing phase though, because YouTube is, well, they just want to remove all of those links and they just give you the options for 16 different links, which are some kind of a link in bio tool, For example, you can check this on your YouTube Studio. You can just go over to customization here, as you can see, and you scroll down, you go to basic info here. So basic info, scroll down, and here are the links. So you can add 16 different links here, and it's going to be a title and it's going to be URL. So here is where you can just put your Amazon affiliate links so people can click on it. As you can see, this will be visible on your channel profile and about page. So 16 maximum. What else you can do is you can just tie a link tree to YouTube account. For example, you can just put the link tree in here. So only one link tree. And then you can stock up your link tree link in bio with a lot of things, whatever you need for different products, for your Amazon store, whatever you want to do. And I have a separate video showing you how to use Linktree. It's really simple and it's very user friendly. Of course, you can put as many links there on Linktree as you like, and this is how it looks like. For example, this is my Linktree for some digital products that I use. So for example, you can see this is going to be the first link. This is the product from Digistore for some fasting formula. Then there's like ketogenic diet. Then down there is like get your free keto cookbook. And of course, you can just move these around. Just hold these, move these around. If you want to add another one, there's an add link button here. So what do you want to do? Let's say that, I don't know, let's just move people to Google. You just type in google.com, click on add, and then you can customize this link in whichever way you want. You can add thumbnail, just click on it, set thumbnail. There's a lot of these icons that you can use. For example, let's just go with web, just do it like that. Let's just go like Google. You see, you just add a little thing here, and you can always like make the title. So I don't know, let's just say Amazon backpack, and you can see in real time it changes here. So you can see Amazon backpack. So this is how it's going to look like on people's phones. But if you want to see how it's going to look like on desktop, just click on copy URL, open up a new tab, and this is how it's going to look like on people's laptops or desktops. So it's pretty handy, and yeah, you got to work your way around. Be sure not to put the links in the description. That doesn't work. As I've told you, I don't even know where these are. Let me just go inside. Sorry for the sound. You have to click on the 3 dots, all right? And then you just have to go to the description. Well, comments are here, all right? And you can pin whatever you want, and that's going to be your affiliate link. That's how you get the money. Now, there is just one more thing that I want you to know. You see, this is fixed standard commission income rate for Amazon products. And I know a lot of people love this, but the commissions are honestly so low. And you get the hassle with the physical product shipping, customer service, and all of that. What I always recommend to people is to stick to digital products. Nowadays, it's far easier, all right? I've got some videos on it. You can check it out on my channel. But honestly, digital products, they give you better commissions, and there's no shipping involved. So use Digistore 24, ClickBank, JVZoo, whatever. This is the future, fellas. So that was it. I hope it was helpful to you. Write me down in the comments if you want to see the video where I just tell you about more niches and how you can relate those with YouTube Shorts and some affiliate links. Catch you later.